Hey, this is Max Tyak from Abstract Automation. I'm going to show you how you can use Zoho One to add a Contact Us form to your website and have that submitted information come directly into your Zoho CRM into your leads module. Let's break it down. Okay, so we're going to be working with three apps that come with Zoho One. So of course we have Zoho CRM and we're looking at our leads module here. We also will be using Zoho Forms, which is another app that is part of your Zoho One subscription. And for the website, we are using Zoho Sites. Now if you're using some other provider for your website, maybe WordPress or Wix or Squarespace, pretty much everything that we do here is going to be exactly the same. There will just be a part where there is a little snip of code that you will have to copy and paste into whatever website builder you're using and then publish it, and it will work just like we're about to show you. So let's get into it. So we already have the fields that we created that we need to capture the information from the form in our leads module. So all I'm really going to do is I need to capture a person's name, first and last name, company, email, phone number. So now we have to build our form. So if we go to Zoho Forms, we're going to create a new form, give it a name, contact us to our form. So let's drag a single line text field for company. There we go. Contact name, email address, phone number, and a multi-line text field for comments. We'll just call that comments. Okay, there's a million other options here in Zoho Forms. We're going to keep it simple, but let's at least choose a theme. We just want a particular sort of look and feel to our form. So let me just pick something that I think looks pretty good. Let's just go with this one right here. So we will apply that theme. Now you probably want to pick something that sits and fits with your website design as best as possible, but there's so many options here, you shouldn't have a problem finding something. Okay, so now we've created our form. Now, if you are using one of those other web design tools like WordPress or Wix or Squarespace, whatever, then at this point, what you would end up doing is going to this Share tab here in the Zoho form, and there's an embed option, and from here you can copy and paste the code that you see and then paste it into your designer app or give it to your web designer to do, and that's all they need. You'll have the form posted to your website, and then we just have to wire it up on the back end, which I'm about to show you, into the Zoho CRM. Now since I'm using Zoho Sites, it's a little bit more seamless of an integration. There's really no copy and pasted needed, so let's go into that part of things. So if I click on Zoho Sites, here's my Zoho site. This is just an example website, which is based on a template that Zoho provides. And in the website designer, I am going to add a new element under Forms. There's a special heading, and Zoho Forms is one of your options. Now, it automatically detects my forms that I have in Zoho Forms. So right now I have a Contact Us form. You can have many forms, and you would see all of the forms that you've created in this listing on the left. We're just going to click our Contact Us form, add it to our page, and then we're going to save and publish the site. Okay, so now we have the form on our website. So here is a preview of what the website looks like. Here's the Contact Us page, and you can see that there is a form on the page. You can make adjustments to the height, the width of the form so that there's no scrolling. I'm not going to get into that right now. So now we have a form that we could, visitor can come and submit information. But we didn't tie it into the Zoho CRM yet. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's go back to our Zoho Forms. We are still on our Contact Us form here, and all we have to do is click on our Integrations tab. We click the integration button. It automatically defaults to Zoho CRM being your integration selected on the left. You can see it's other options there. We're just going to use the Zoho CRM option. We select which module we would like this form to add records to, in this case the leads module. And then we map the fields. So here we're going to say, okay, the company name on the form maps to the lead company name, last name, first name to first name, email to email, phone to phone, and lastly, our comments field. Now, this comments field is not a default field that exists in your leads module, so I just created a custom field which accepts multiple lines of text called comments. You could also have that comment get mapped to a note instead, whichever you'd like to do, but that's the fields that we have. And now we're going to click one quick thing. If you have fields that are required on the CRM side, you have to make those same fields required in the form. So we have by default Zoho CRM requires on a lead a company name and a last name, so we have to make those changes and make those fields required on our form. But after we do that, we're going to click integrate. Our form is now integrated and it is now live on our website. So if we come up to the website and fill out the form, all right, so we filled out our form. There are some different formatting options with the phone number and some other validation options. We're just going to keep it simple. Submit our form. The form has been submitted. And then now what should happen is if we go back to our leads module and go to our listing, if we do a couple of refreshes here, okay, here it is. This is the new lead that came in. It came in within about 10 seconds of me hitting that submit button. If we look at the lead, we'll see that we captured the contacts or the lead's name, the company name, our phone number is in. As you can see, it's pretty easy to do. Just pick out a nice template that lines up with the look and feel of your website, connect it to your Zoho CRM, and you're good to go. Thank you. Have a great day.